Hello, and thank you for joining us today on creating an SAF chain. We'll go to lifeenergypublications.com and tap the menu. We encourage you to look through the About Us section so you can learn more about who we are and what we do, and also about becoming a member. Today we're going to go to the SAF online portal. On this page, you can find out more about SAF Online and more of the options available to you. Today, we're going to create a chain, so we're going to go to questionnaires. Here we have three options: Stress 120, SAF 120, and Q24. We're going to be doing a Q24 today. It's an abbreviated chain. We'll enter our major complaint, and then we'll go through the different groups, answering the questions to the best of our ability. As a side note, you can click 0 for no and 5 for yes. On the 24th group, we're going to hit submit, and we're going to get our chain at the top with a stress number. You'll put your name and your email and hit submit, and you'll get sent the chain. If you're working with a practitioner, use the email that they have for you on their account, and they'll get your chain as well. If you have any questions or need any more support, feel free to reach out to us.